Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Pictory AI account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Pictory AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address pictory.ai like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Pictory AI like this guys. And at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button and the free trial button available. If you have not yet signed up for a Pictory account, simply click on the free trial button and you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to sign up for a free Pictory account for a certain amount of time. And with that being said guys, just click on login in order to sign into our Pictory AI account on our computer. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email address and your password with which you have signed up for a Pictory account on your computer like this. And after that, enter your password guys. But if you have forgotten your password guys, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button where it says the forgot password, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your account's password. And with that being said guys, you can also log into your Pictory account, to your Google account directly. If you click on this button, login page to your Google will open, and if you log into your Google account, you'll be signed into your Pictory with the Google account. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Pictory account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.